Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a very good skin treatment for our skin that will remove black spots, hyperpigmentation, dark circles, and let's get started. We first by making our soaps. We need 100 grams of melt and pour soap. Cut them in bits and chunks. You can also use your you can use PS soap if you have them, and then you need beetroot. So I have melted them in the pot in the double boiler, and then put 1 tablespoon or half tablespoon of this beetroot and mix them thoroughly together with your spatula. You can remove it from the water from the double boiler and mix very vigorously. Do not use wicks, otherwise you create bubbles. Now pour in the mold of your choice and leave them for 1 hour or more to solidify. Now you need the face scrub with honey and white sugar. 1 tablespoon of honey and about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of beetroot. Mix them thoroughly together. If it's not really mixing very well, you need to add more honey. Now add them, pour it in a safe container when you are ready to use. It is ready. I am pouring it into a safe container. If you want to allow it to sit for like up to 5 or 1 week, it's good. You can even leave it more than 1 week because there's no water in it. So you can use this 2 times weekly. And this also is the face mask. You use 1 teaspoon of beetroot, 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. This will really brighten your skin and remove those dark spots from your face. Now, this is not a overnight magic, but within a week you will see a great result, and you will be love to use beetroot in your daily skin treatment. Now, this face mask, you would use it that day. You do not keep them for more. Make fresh batches. And for the soap, you can use it 2 times daily. For the scrub, you use them 2 times weekly or once. For the marks, you use them 1 to 2 times daily, depending on how you want. You can make the face masks fresh. Do not keep the face masks. And you can keep the scrub and you can keep the soap. And if you have dark spots, this will really remove those dark spots from your skin. If you have discoloration, I promise you, your skin will glow. You will have brighter looking skin that your friends will be asking you, what did you use on your face? Please like, share, and subscribe.